Look what I got. Yeah, Mickey D's. Already know how it is.
Every damn day. What I say.
But this is why we came.
What are you about to unbox for Pokemon?
Match Battle Edition.
Alright. Let's see. Oh my god, is that a holographic?
Alright, 1, 2, 3 to the front.
Okay. Remove that energy. Oh, never mind.
Alright, we got Tamayo, Falani, Boozer, and oh my god!
That is so rare.
No way, a glossy flower.
That's like
Holographic.
That's
dude.
like $100 bucks.
That's mint condition. I'm selling this, guys.
That's like a $5 profit right there. What else we got here?
Oh, pretty nuts.
What the fuck is that?
Do you want these apples? Oh, they don't. No.
Yeah, bro.
Another
Burger.
burger.